Hey guys, my name is Sammy Price, and this is kind of just a little bit about my major and what I want to go into. I am majoring in psychology with an emphasis in health psychology, and this is technically my first semester in this major, though it is my second at BYU Idaho. And I'm honestly really loving it so far. It's nice to know what I want to do and really be passionate about that. And what I want to do is I want to be a licensed professional counselor. So I want to get my LPC. And licensed professional counselors are mental health service providers, and they work with individuals, families, and groups. So like a lot of like marriage and family counseling, couples therapy, and things like that. And they treat mental, behavioral, and emotional problems and disorders. And so it's cool. I've had a lot of experiences with counseling in my life, like either personally or with my family. And my dad is a counselor, and I got to watch him kind of go through that program since he went through it when I was in high school. And that's really something that's inspired me. And so counselors, the cool thing is that they're so needed and so applicable in any situation and flexible. They can work in schools or in private practice or public practice in mental health clinics. They work in hospitals or rehab facilities. Um, and I also know like youth camps. They can work at places like that, and just with youth in general. And um, it's really cool how much they can do and how many people they can work with in so many different capacities to meet so many different people's needs, which is really, really awesome. And what you need in order to get your LCP is a master's in counseling. And so there's a lot of different programs that offer it. I'm looking into maybe going to Idaho State University in the Meridian campus in order to get mine. And it's a pretty hefty master's degree. You can either take it like through 2 or 3 years, and it includes 100 hours of supervision and internships on top of that as well as like a specialization. So kind of like clinical mental health or marriage and family counseling or things like that. Um, and during that time, students can either, instead of going for their LCP, they can go for their LCPC, the licensed clinical professional counselors, or they can do it afterwards. And it's just kind of gives you a little bit more experience, a little more um, practice, and a little more background, which insurance companies like, and it is better if you want to go into private practice. And so it's cool to get a master's in counseling, I think. And this image down here is actually, that's my dad right there, and that's him working with an improv group at his current job. He's working at a medical college as their counselor. And so they're doing an improv group here, kind of as a form of group therapy, and teaching life skills and things like that. So it's amazing. It's just seriously so cool how many different things you can do with a master's of counseling. And um, I'm really, really excited about it and excited to learn more about what I want to specialize in and just being able to help people in this way, because really everybody could benefit from counseling, just learning those mental processes. It's amazing what counselors can do for people and how they teach them how to help themselves and improve their quality of life. So that's a little bit about me and what I am looking to go into. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to watch your guys's.